Hey guys, welcome back to my channel here. This is Penguin Tech. Today I'm going to unbox this mechanical keyboard by Kludge. This is RK84, white color only, LED, and so it has 84 keys. And then this is a brown switch. So let's take a look around the box itself. It's quite hefty for its size. As you can see, it says the model is RK84, the light is only white, and then the color is black, made in China. So that's all, and without further ado, let's open up the box. So we are greeted with the keyboard itself, but before that, let's see what's in the box. So we have the keycap puller and the key switch puller, and then we have these two magnetic stands to lift up your keyboard. These are magnetic, and then we have a USB-A to a USB-C unbraided cable for charging and connecting to your PC. Nice touch because this is using USB-C already. And we also have a manual book, and this comes with a 1-year warranty. So and it also teaches you how to use the keyboard itself. It's in Chinese at the moment. And this is the keyboard itself. Very small. I like the size. And then you know, my full size is at least this much bigger, so this longer, so this definitely saves a lot of space. And because it's 84 keys, and you can see the keys are all, you know, put together in one place, tightly together. So yeah, this keyboard supports Windows and Mac, and you can use the FN number to switch between, you know, Windows mode or Mac mode. And so you can also connect. So it also has a USB dongle here, but mine is currently in the PC itself now, and you can actually store it here, which is a nice touch. The standoff, you can just put it off on here and here to give your keyboard an angled mode. And so you also have 4 rubber feet here, and it doesn't glide around when you type. So this button here, B and G, B is for Bluetooth mode, G is for the USB mode. And then this is the on and off button. So this keyboard lets you connect to your PC with 3 modes. Like I said, Bluetooth, USB dongle, wireless, and also the wired mode, which you can connect via here. And you can see there's 2 empty slots here. So this is a non-RGB version, so it doesn't come with 2 USB pass-through here. But if you buy the RGB version, they should have 2 additional USB slots here, but it is only usable when you connect via here. So yeah, which is a nice additional feature. And then the keycaps here, just like this. And then yeah, this is the brown key itself. So I think this is a TTB brand by Kludge themselves, and the keycap that came with it is only ABS, I believe. Also, another cool feature is you can also take off the frame. So let me just try and demonstrate it for you, like so that your keyboard looks like a floating design. But if you don't want it, you can always put this frame back, which gives you a tidier design. Now, one weird thing I find is that the F key rows is actually lower than the number rows here. So it's a bit weird, like whenever you go over and touch this key, you can feel it that this row is a bit higher. So I'm not sure why Royal Key went with this design. I think they should have lifted this up a little bit more, because this does feel like a non-standard design, but overall it doesn't bother me much. But yeah. And then this also allows you to switch between 3 devices. So when you're in the Bluetooth or even the USB mode, you can you can switch this 1, 2, 3 to 3 different devices. Then we have a lot of shortcut keys, as for example the FN key here, and then yeah, this is for your desktop, home, calculator, music, you know, media buttons. And then this is FN and home key to adjust the lighting modes, so there's about 10 or more. And then this is for your brightness, and then this is for your lighting speed. So to charge your keyboard, which this keyboard comes in itself, and I believe it's a 3750 mAh battery, which will give you a very long battery life. You just need to connect to here, and then a red light will come out here telling you it's charged, and when it's fully charged, the light will go off and you'll know that this is ready to go. And then another bad thing is that it doesn't really give you, you know, the battery health indicator. Like you don't really know when you need to charge the keyboard. Guess I don't see any LED indicator, so if you guys know, please let me know. And overall, this is the typing sound. Very nice. It's actually quite similar to the Cherry MX, which is the Master Key L that I was using, so I have no complaints about it. And overall, I heard some people that complains that if you connect to USB dongle, you might have signal loss, but so far I haven't experienced it, and it's been good for my typing and gaming experience. So yeah, overall I'm very satisfied with this keyboard. Comes with 1-year warranty, and I got it at 170 ringgit, which is a very good price for this keyboard and its quality. So yeah, that's about it. Thank you for watching. Remember to like and subscribe and share this video if you find it useful, and I will see you guys next time. Bye bye.